Have a CMV file from CorelDRAW Animation Tools? This is an animation file from CorelMOVE, part of the CorelDRAW Suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these CorelMOVE animation files for design and presentation work. Consider this essential for your toolkit, a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken CMV. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. CMV files are animation files created by CorelMOVE animation software, part of older CorelDRAW Graphics Suite versions. They contain frame-based animation data, including artwork frames, timing information, and playback parameters used to create simple animations for presentations, educational content, and graphic design projects. CorelMOVE CMV files use a proprietary format, storing animation frame sequences with vector graphics or raster image data per frame timing information and playback metadata. The format follows Corel specifications integrating with CorelMOVE for animation playback and editing and design workflows requiring animated content creation. SourceForge defines CMV parser as the application primarily intended for CMV. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows plays video files conveniently, but deeper control needs production software. The solution lies in finding the correct software match. Go to your CMV file, right-click, and select Open With. Use CMV parser first if it is installed. If not, start testing other options until one successfully reads the file. If the CMV file won't budge, stay calm. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the CMV format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, opening in CorelMOVE. Launch CorelMOVE from older CorelDRAW Graphics Suite installations and use File then Open to load CMV animation files. The application displays the animation with frame editing tools, timing controls, and playback features. Modify frames, adjust timing, and export to other formats for distribution. Next, converting to modern formats. Export CMV animations to modern video formats like AVI, MP4, or animated GIF using CorelMOVE export functions. The exported files work with current media players and presentation software, providing broader compatibility than the legacy CMV format. Choose formats matching distribution requirements. Finally, playing on modern systems. CorelMOVE has been discontinued. Use compatibility tools or virtual machines running older Windows versions to access CMV animations through original CorelMOVE installations. Convert files to modern formats while running CorelMOVE to ensure continued accessibility on current operating systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.